Welcome to Linux Help. Today I will show you how to install ModSecurity on Ubuntu version 20.4.1. ModSecurity is a free Apache module used to protect your web server from various attacks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, session hijacking, brute force, and a lot of other exploits. It also allows you to monitor traffic on a real-time basis. Let's go for the installation. Before installation, check the OS version. My OS is Ubuntu version 20.4.1. Install ModSecurity by using following command. The packages we're installing. Check if the ModSecurity model is running or not. To solve above error, go to Apache configuration file. In here, save and quit the file. Restart the Apache. Once completed, run the command. Yes, now it's working. Enable the ModSecurity rules. You need to rename and edit the ModSecurity recommended configuration file and set the sec rule engine option to on. For this, run the following command. Open the configuration file. In here, add the following line. Once completed, save and quit the file. After that, restart the Apache. There are a lot of security rules that come with ModSecurity. Now need to enable these rules to getting it working with Apache. For that, open security conf file. In here, add the following lines. Once completed, save and quit the file. Restart the Apache service. With this method, installation of ModSecurity on Ubuntu comes with end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.